Hi everyone, Brad at MJB Engineering, and today we're going to have a look at a machine I repaired on Saturday. It is a Firex Cucimix, and it's like a heated mixer for cooking food while it stirs it. This is the machine here. You can see we've got the side panels off because the first problem is it's not tilting. So the customer had gone ahead and ordered a new motor and gearbox for the tilt mechanism. However, we tested the capacitor before removing everything, and the capacitor was at fault. So a new 10 microfarad capacitor had our tilt function working again. So this is the motor gearbox we've got to change. Well, I don't think we've got to change the gearbox in the motor, we've got to take it off to change the shaft. But I need to assess the wear on the gearbox while I'm here. The job is to get this nut undone, because once the gearbox is removed, you can't hold the shaft. So use the Barco 30-inch, no ring, a load of grease in there, possibly some sort of seal. Let's have a gander at the manual. So we've taken the knurled cap off, the PTFE ring, and then it's saying inside this is 2 O-rings, but looks like there's a seal in there rather than O-rings. Then we've removed the red O-ring for the cap. There's a wavy washer in there, I can see that, and then it says there should just be 2 circlips holding the bearing. So we'll have a look for them now. So we've lifted the motor gearbox off. We've now exposed the shaft. We've taken the 2 keys out. Just got to take the circlips off them up. Just see if we can go get some Interflon food lube and try and lubricate the housing bore, try and get the bearing to slide out a bit easier. I'm going to spray the food lube in here, let that heat in for a minute and see if it'll help the bearing slide out. Right, slowly working the shaft out. Now we're going to get a long drift to drift the rest of the shaft. Doesn't look like the bearing's coming, so might have to knock that out that way. Still something stuck. It's that epoxy bearing's frozen. We've had to dismantle the whole bottom of the mixer, but we have managed to get to the circlip, and that is the old bearing, which is absolutely fucked. So we'll swap that out, clean the shaft, get a new one in. Here we have a new shaft, 2 6207 stainless bearings, some grease for the seals, and all the seals and circlips. So we'll put the bearings in first, and then we'll put the circlips in, the new ones, and go from there. That's the new shaft, new bearing, ready to go in the machine. Just got to put the bottom of the mixer back on before we do that. So we just finished up on the mixer. So this is a heated mixer, cooks the food while it mixes it. Go into manual mode, and you see we have now got our tilt function back. And we've also got our mix function. So there's a big paddle that goes on here and stirs all the food up, and the heat comes from underneath. It's a big saucepan that automatically mixes itself basically. Shut that up. So that's done. Till next year.